Hello, boys and girls. Let's go ahead and get started today by saying our pledges. We'll zero in on that American flag. And if you would please salute and pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now we will salute the Oklahoma state flag. Salute, pledge. I salute the flag of the state of Oklahoma. Its symbols of peace unite all people. All right. It is a wonderful Wednesday. It is April Fool's Day, a day when people like to play jokes. And my husband happens to be one of those people who likes to play jokes or pranks on people. And something he likes to do is put a rubber band around the sprayer on our faucet, our kitchen sink faucet. And then when someone turns the sink on, the sprayer goes off and sprays them. And that can be kind of funny if you just have on a t-shirt, but if you're kind of dressed up, it's really not that funny, but he thinks it is. So maybe when we have our lunch Zoom meeting, some of you guys could share any April Fool jokes or pranks that you have had pulled on you or that you've pulled on someone. So it is April 1st. We've started a new month today, and let's go ahead and get out your whiteboard and marker or pencil and paper, whatever works best for you, and write the date today. And that is April with a capital A, P-R-I-L, April 1st, 2020. April is the 4th month. We said goodbye to March, which was our 3rd month of the year. And now April is the 4th month. Today is Wednesday, April 1st, 2020. And now we're going to look at some word play challenges from our Smarty Pants challenge cards today. I think we're going to have fun with this. This is something we've not done before. You will, again, I think probably pencil and paper's best, but if you just have whiteboard and marker, we can make that work too. What we're going to do is we're going to do a little bit of word play, as I said. Change some letters around and make some new words. We're going to change just one letter in this word to make new words. So on your whiteboard or paper, write the word tide, T-I-D-E, tide. It's like the rise and fall of water. If you've ever been to the ocean, you talk about the tide going out, the tide coming in. It's the rise and fall of water. So we're going to change just one letter. Now don't confuse this with unscrambling the letters we have. We're going to change one letter and we're going to make a new word that means something on cars and bicycles that is made out of rubber. What letter could we change to mean something on cars and bicycles that's made out of rubber? Think about that. What about if we change the D to an R and make the word tire? Next, let's change one letter to make a new word that means what someone must do as you so you can seek them in a game. If you're playing a game, this is what someone must do so you can seek them. And the word seek also means to find. So you're trying to find someone. But in the game of blank and seek, they must hide. So we're going to change the T from that original word tide to an H and leave the other three letters the same to make the word hide. Kind of fun, isn't it? And then our last clue is what your clock or your watch tells you or shows you. This time, we're going to leave the T the same, the I the same, but we're going to change the D in tide to an M and make the word time. So we have made 3 new words by just changing one letter in the word tide. And now our math puzzler from the Smarty Pants box. I think we're going to have fun with these also. So let me wipe off my whiteboard. Put on your thinking cap. And this is a number. We're looking for the number that if you double the number, you'll get half of 12. What is that number? If you double the number, you will get half of 12. What number are we looking for? Well, the first thing we're going to have to solve is, what is half of 12? That's going to help us to solve this. What is half of 12? And let's figure this out by drawing a picture. Remember, we have lots of different strategies for solving math problems. This time, we're going to draw a picture to figure out what's half of 12. I'm going to put 1 dot on this side of the line, 1 over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many dots are on each side of the line? There's 6. 6 plus 6 equals 12. So we know that half of 12 is 6. Well, what number can you double to get 6? Think about that for a moment. What number can you double to get the number 6? Well, let's do this. Here's 1, 2, 3 dots over here. 1, 2, 3 dots over here. 3 plus 3 equals 6, doesn't it? The number we're looking for is 3. That's the answer. Double me and you'll get half of 12. What number am I? The number is 3. A little bit of fun with numbers. And the next one. I'm a number between 10 and 15. So between 10 and 15. I'm an odd number. Well, what are the numbers between 10 and 15? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Which of these are odd numbers? 10 is an even number. 11 is odd. 13 is odd. 15 is odd. My digits add up to 4. So if you add the 2 digits of the number, it adds up to 4. This one stands out to me. What's 1 plus 3? It equals 4, doesn't it? The mystery number we're looking for is 13. And the last one, I have 8 sides and I feel fine. You may see me as a stop sign. So zero in on that stop sign, videographer. Zero in on that stop sign. Again, I have 8 sides and I feel fine. You may see me as a stop sign. What shape am I? 8 sides is an octagon. An octagon. So we started using our word a day book. This is the 3rd day of the week. Monday, our word was crunch. Tuesday, our word was gentle. Today, our word means something with a smell. And it starts with an O, or it's another word for the word smell. It starts with an O. The word, I wonder if anyone knows. Another word for smell that starts with the letter O. Whoop. O, D, O, R, odor. An odor is a smell. Skunks have a strong odor. Videographer, you want to do this? Skunks have a strong odor that can be smelled from far away. Which things have a strong odor? Do roses have a strong smell? Yes, they do. Perfume? Yes. We were going to use perfume in our play. Charlie and Madeline had a little scene with perfume that would have had a strong odor. What about a phone? No, a phone does not have an odor. Garbage, yeah, it can have a bad odor. And what about a pan of brownies right out of the oven? Oh yes, a nice smell, a nice odor. Let's get out your writing words booklet and add the word odor. You're going to need to turn to the letter O and add O-D-O-R. While you have your writing words booklet out, let's go ahead and add 2 more words from earlier. We used the word tide, and we used the word, oh, we actually never did get to the next one, to cart. We'll just add the word tide today, T-I-D-E, and odor, O-D-O-R, to your writing words booklet. And I hope this writing words booklet is helpful to you as you're writing your stories. Let's do a little bit of work with the clock. If you'd please get out your personal clock. So today, I went on a walk at 3:45. Show me 3:45 on your personal clock. If it is 3:45, that means it is between 3 o'clock and 4 o'clock. In between 3 o'clock and 4 o'clock. So your hour hand should be between 3 and 4. Closer to the 4 because we're all the way around here to 45 minutes after 3. The hour hand should be pointing to the 9. So hopefully your clock looks like this, 3:45. I walked until 5:15. Show me 5:15 on your clock. 5:15 is going to be between 5 o'clock and 6 o'clock. So the hour hand should be just a little past the 5, the minute hand pointing to the 3. And then I got home at 5:45. So over here we're at 5:15, 5:20, 5:25, 5:30, 5:35, 5:40. This is where I got home, 5:45. Show me 5:45 on your clock. And the very last time to show me, now my family's going to have dinner at 7:30. 7:30. That is, remember, another way of saying 7:30 is 7:30. And showing, here we are up here at 7 o'clock. 7:30, that hour hand is straight up and down on the 6. Remember our cheater numbers pointing to the 30, also meaning 7:30. And the last thing we're going to do is take a look at our continents. Videographer, if you want to zero in on our continent map, and we'll say our little continent rhyme together. North America and South America got married. They went to Europe on their honeymoon. They had 4 daughters whose names all started with the letter A. Africa, Antarctica, Asia, and Australia. Hope you've been working on learning how to spell those continents. And I believe that is all I have for today. Have a wonderful Wednesday. See you tomorrow. Bye.